I've been using my Boolean kits mainly for concept art, but many people have told me they've successfully used them to customize their 3D prints with these details. I started wondering what would be cool to customize as a potential 3D print, and I immediately thought about Valve's new Steam machine with its replaceable faceplates. Those plates looked very simple. I just needed to find the dimensions of the box and the placement of the magnet sockets on the back. With the basic plate ready, I spent about an hour of my Sunday morning trying to make different variations using basic tools and my kit bash details. The results turned out pretty nice. I would definitely try one of these on my own Steam machine, if I had one. But this was just a quick example of how you can use kits like this to easily customize your 3D prints of any kind. You can use Plasticity or Fusion or any other CAD software. It all works in a similar way. I also have a separate video that covers the workflow with Boolean kits in much more detail, and you can find the links to my products in the description.